So this is the circuit I have made. The transmitter is over here. Once again, I'm feeding it a pre-made signal shown on previous videos. Here's my oscilloscope. Let's see, you'll see when I block the signal. That's holding up pretty good. Okay. And my receiver is 2 meters away from my receiver. Tired. Function generator, transmitter, oscilloscope reading from my transmitter to my receiver over here. My receiver circuit, as I showed earlier, is let's see if I can bring this in. Oops, covering up the. Okay, so let's start from here. So this is an op-amp that's set up in a subtraction mode, basically. So I have 2.1 megohms here, got a megohm here. So basically what I'm doing is I'm removing the common mode seen from the receiver side. This potentiometer is being used to offset the, basically null the offset. This is another stage. I'm gaining it up about 8.5 times here. So this one's getting about a gain of 10, gain of 8.5. This potentiometer right here, the blue guy right here, is being used for nulling offset, and this guy is just a buffer. The blue guy, once again, is a potentiometer nulling offset, but if you notice right here I have a diode being dumped onto a capacitor and resistor, so I'm using this to get my peak detection, and then that is being fed into this inverter. I have two NMOS in parallel with a pull-up resistor here, and then I just have this is actually a NOR gate being used as an inverter. So the output I'm generating is the following. My supply voltage to my logic is about 3.3. If I look at the output of my amplification, sorry, one sec. So I'm probing the output of my amplification. You notice I sacrifice some. Well, I'm basically gaining up the stage pretty well, but there's a pretty good amount of noise in here. Now let me show you the output of, basically it's a half-bridge rectifier, but it's being used as a peak detector. That's this last part right here, and that's what this guy is right here. So the peaks are almost 4 volts at 2 meters, so that's not too bad. So once it goes over here, the output of the first inverter is pretty nice square wave, and the final output, which is the original signal, is this one right here. So